I'm not allowed to drive the digger apparently today. My job is dumper truck. So we fill up the sandy stuff. You put it in the dumper truck. Oh, such fun. It's not exactly precision driving what I'm doing, but do you know what? It brings me joy. It's great to actually get out in the sunshine and do something productive. Look at that, full up. So here we go. We got to make sure it's not built for little people either. These machines. Oh, we got a bit more. Apparently, no. I've got about the nod. We're off. Are we in reverse? Yes, we are. Oh. No, I'm all right. Oh, come on. Need to name this machine. We haven't bonded yet. Right. Oh. Right. Find a gear, any gear. Preferably that goes forward. There we go. Oh. Right, we're off. Look, he's getting a cup of tea now. All right for some. So my job is to take this and continue with the drive. Come on, we can do it. Right, I might need both hands for this because it's a bit bumpy. So I will let you see the next instalment in a moment. Right, the next instalment we're going slow because we might get tipped off. The geese are not happy. I'm not sure we're in the right place. How hard can it be? Right, now we've got to work out the instructions. Let's go up a bit. Does that work? Yes, it does. Get in. Go up a bit more because I can do that. What's that? Oh, that bit tilts it, look. Right, let's tip. Oh, it's heavy. Tip in. Wait for it. The secret is not to tip it in a wanna, but to let it start tipping and then drive with it. There's a lot of art to it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Come on. Quite an angle. Once it starts to go, I wonder if we can pull forward a bit. Like that. Oh, struggling. Ah, worked. Did the trick though, didn't it? Come on. If you do a bit of jiggling. Tilt it round. Can you tilt it round? Yes. Doesn't want to go, does it? Here we go. Oh, let's put it in reverse. Works to go backwards. Oh, look at that! Almost like a pro. I've seen them do this. If you jiggle it, it comes out more. All the does not want to do it. I suspect you're not supposed to drive when it's tipped up. So I might put it down, right forward, once we're still in reverse. There, look. And now tip it properly. See? It's a lesson in dumper truck driving. There's not much left. What is that? All the geese are not happy. I'm sorry, geese. But you're sitting on the road. We've got to join up the road. Right, let's see how much we've got left. If any. Oh, not too bad. It's not too shabby at all. Oh, are we back in? Are we in? No, we're not. Ah, overshot. See, that's got to go. There. See it looking? That's it. That's the looking. It's not very technical. Right, there's your dumper lesson for today. Now we've got to go backwards. And back to pick up more. I should think the driver's fallen asleep. It takes me so long. But look at that, it's not a bad job. I think you might laugh. Right, come on. Come on. Oh, it's definitely not made for short people.